What happens when someone already living an American dream decides that it isn't enough? And can one decision destroy years of hard work, a successful business, and even the right to stay in the United States? And that question surrounding the case of Ketan Patel, a New Jersey pharmacy owner who is now facing prison and possibly a massive deportation. According to the US court records, 34 years old Ketan Patel, a green card holder living in Allentown, New Jersey, has been sentenced to 30 months in the federal prison for his role in a healthcare fraud scheme. Now, the prosecutors say that he was involved in a fraud involving more than $620,000 USD, and the court now also ordered the financial penalties and 40 feet of the together, which is sum of $1.24 billion. Investigators say that he was not a one-time mistake, that was accounting error. Court documents suggest, basically they allege that Patel submitted false records to a healthcare insurance company during an audit. The documents reportedly claimed his pharmacy was authorized for certain prescription services when it was not. And prosecutors said that the fake prescription pickup records were created to make it appear like a customer has collected medicines that in reality were never dispensed. However, the evidence did not stop there. Well, according to the court filings, Patel allegedly sent text messages discussing how the scheme was generating between $8,000 to $10,000 a month. And prosecutors who alleged that the doctors were also intended at the clubs to encourage the referrals that benefit the businesses. Patel later pleaded guilty in April 2025, and the court handed over towards sentence in July 2026. And that completely changed the whole rhetoric of the story. For many immigrants, a green card represents stability and a pathway to US citizenship. But under the US immigration law, certain serious criminal convictions can trigger removal proceedings as well. Immigration decisions depend on the law and the facts of each individual, and the only immigration authorities and the courts can determine whether someone will ultimately be deported or not. And make no mistakes here, this case is more about financial fraud. It is more about the reminder that immigration status alone does not shield anyone from the consequences of the criminal conviction. For now, Patel faces prison, heavy financial penalties, and an uncertain future in the country that he once called home, and the final chapter of the story may be still unheard.